Hey guys, it's Wes from Wes Automotive. Just giving you guys a little video on this 2011 Hyundai Tucson. The 2.4 liter came in with a no start condition, a crank sensor code. So we changed the crankshaft position sensor just to try to do a quick repair, but that didn't help. We changed that, then I saw some cam sensor codes. Let's change the cam sensor. I was always suspecting that it could be this relay, which is the main relay that controls the cam sensor and the crank sensor. Both cam sensors, because there's an intake and exhaust cam sensor. But that's the problem. That one black relay fixed our problem. So I took the cam sensor back off, took the crank sensor back off, put the original ones back on, put the new relay, and she starts up like a dream. All for a simple relay. So before you guys go ahead and rack your brain, this is a quick tip. 2011 Hyundai Tucson. You get a crank sensor, cam sensor code. Please check this relay first. It's an $8 part wholesale from the dealer. Don't buy it anywhere else, because if you put a aftermarket one, it's not going to work. I tried cheap Chinese one. This same pin, but the voltage is different, and it causes actually more codes to pop up. This is the relay, that's the part number. This is our problem. No start condition, main relay.